Rombe ya Linda Mwaainchi litukuria rero nigo baika busio bw'eabisi y'omuriki w'ebyama aseganga yokuria kurikwa k'Ekiama asobomo bwa Linda Mwaainchi Buna barikwe esegeria Linda Mwaainchi movement batebire babekire CHINKWANA chingiya gusebya CHINKWANA chingiya n'omuriki w'Ekiama na bono nigo bakete kwiranirwa oroboti kurwase eabisi yo nase batebire mbare no kwegena Buna mbachie koegwa erieterio ase koegwa kwa Buna Ekiama gietenenerete.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming. As principals and members of Linda Mwaainchi, we came here this morning to engage with the Registrar of Political Parties regarding the reservation and registration of our name, Linda Mwaainchi Movement. You will recall that we had made an application for that name and we received a letter declining the registration on account of public interest. So we came to engage with the registrar on the interpretation of the law, in particular Section 8 of the Political Parties Act. We must say that the registrar received us very well, and we have had very cordial and extensive discussions with him. There is no reason to refuse the registration of the name Linda Mwaainchi Movement. And we have agreed that he will now review his decision, and before the end of the week, he will get back to us with his final decision on the matter.
Thank you.
Let me just assure the country that once we have that name, everything will fall in place within the required statutory timelines. We will get our name. We will get our name.